Hello, it's me again, and right now this is another video for January 5th, 2023. Right now they're actually landscaping, something like that, looking for the length of when they're going to tear down the baking for this new project over there. Yep. See this guy over there with the pole? That's what he's doing. Measuring, and right now it's about 4:22 p.m. I see the bulldozers are far away. Yeah. No, I think the orange one's still there. Truck is parked over there. Yep. I'll see you a little later for this third video, and comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like this another video today. Later, folks.